Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone relying on specific Kodak scanner models: the replacement parts for printer PRTA05676, specifically the compatible speed scanner pickup roller tire designed for the Kodak 3610 and 3210 scanners. This particular offering comes as a 5-piece set, which is quite generous, providing multiple replacements or spares to keep your document scanning operations running smoothly. For those who frequently use their Kodak 3610 or 3210 scanners, the pickup rollers are vital. They are responsible for accurately feeding documents into the scanner, and over time, these tires can wear down, leading to misfeeds, jams, or inconsistent scanning performance. Replacing them is a standard maintenance procedure that can significantly extend the life and efficiency of your machine. This set aims to provide a convenient solution for that very need. Now, it's incredibly important to address a significant detail highlighted by the seller, which potential buyers absolutely must consider before making a purchase. The product explicitly states that the item condition will be sent randomly as either original refurbished or compatible new. This means you might receive parts that were originally manufactured by Kodak and have been refurbished, or brand new parts made by a third-party manufacturer that are compatible with your scanner. The seller is very clear: please do not order if you mind about this. This is a critical point for managing expectations. If you have a strong preference for only brand new original parts, or if you are uncomfortable with the possibility of receiving refurbished components, then this particular listing might not be suitable for your needs. It's a trade-off that often comes with replacement parts for older, specialized equipment, balancing cost-effectiveness with specific condition preferences. Furthermore, the seller provides another crucial piece of advice: always carefully check the item's appearance, size, and color, and compare it directly with your original part before placing an order. They emphasize that model numbers are for reference only, and if the item doesn't visually match your existing part, or if the part number isn't identical, it's best to refrain from ordering. This diligent approach ensures compatibility and prevents potential frustration from receiving an incorrect part. It underscores the importance of visual verification over relying solely on listed model numbers, especially for intricate components like scanner rollers. In essence, this 5-piece set of compatible speed scanner pickup roller tires for Kodak 3610 and 3210 scanners offers a practical solution for maintaining your equipment. It's designed for users who are pragmatic about replacement parts, understanding the nuances of original refurbished versus compatible new, and are comfortable with the random assignment of these conditions. For those who prioritize functionality and value in keeping their essential scanning equipment operational, and who are meticulous about verifying part compatibility visually, this could be a very viable option to extend the life of their valuable Kodak scanners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.